First up, the Bug-Out Bag Weight Calculator. Pick from 40 plus real gear items, shelter, water filters, first aid, fire starters, and it tracks your total weight against your body weight. The rule: your BOB shouldn't exceed 20 to 25% of your body weight for sustained carry. This tool warns you when you're overloaded, flags missing essentials like water purification, and gives you a printable checklist. I use this to cut 15 pounds from my own bag. Tool 2. The Solar and Power Station Calculator. Pick your devices: fridge, Starlink, laptop, CPAP, lights. Enter how many hours per day you'll run each one, select your region, and get matched to the right power station size and the solar panels you need. It accounts for weather, angle loss, and gives you a 20% overhead buffer. Use this before you drop $1,500 on a power station. You might only need a $900 unit, or you might need way more capacity than you thought. Number 3. Water Storage Calculator. FEMA says 1 gallon per person per day, but that's drinking only and doesn't account for cooking, hygiene, or medical needs. This calculator factors in family size, climate, activity level, and duration. It tells you total gallons needed, how many 5-gallon jugs or 55-gallon barrels to buy, and your rotation schedule. Reality check. A family of 4 in a hot climate needs 8 to 10 gallons per day. For 30 days, that's 240 to 300 gallons. Stack those jugs and see how fast your garage fills up. Tool 4. Food Storage Calculator. Rice and beans will keep you alive, but you'll hate life after 2 weeks. This tool helps you plan balanced food storage based on calories, macros, protein, carbs, fat, and shelf life. Enter family size and duration. Choose food categories and get a complete shopping list with quantities and estimated cost. Pro tip: most people underestimate fat calories. Your body needs fat. Stock peanut butter, cooking oil, nuts, and canned fish. Number 5. The 72-Hour Kit Builder. This builds a personalized checklist based on your situation. Where do you live? Urban, suburban, rural? What's your climate? Family size? Medical needs? Pets? It gives you a customized checklist with food, water, shelter, first aid, documents, and tools, prioritized by what to grab first if you have 5 minutes. Reality check. Most pre-made 72-hour kits suck. They're generic, overpriced, and missing half the stuff you need. Build your own with this tool and save money. Tool 6. The SHTF Scenario Simulator. This is a choose-your-own-adventure survival game. You face realistic emergency scenarios: wildfire evacuation, grid-down winter storm, civil unrest, and make decisions. Your choices determine whether you make it out and what gear would have saved you. It stress tests your prep plans without real danger and reveals gaps in your gear or knowledge. Fair warning, you're going to fail some scenarios. That's the point. Learn from the mistakes in the simulator so you don't make them when it's real. And finally, the Prepper Readiness Quiz. 10 questions testing your preparedness across water, food, power, shelter, medical, security, and skills. Takes 2 minutes. You get a readiness score from 0 to 100, a breakdown by category, and specific recommendations for improvement. Most people score 40 to 60. If you're above 70, you're doing better than 90% of people. Take the quiz, identify your weak spots, use the other tools to fix them, and retake it in 3 months to watch your score climb. All 7 tools are completely free at prepperevolution.com/tools. No email required, no upsells, just good tools for good people trying to be ready. If this helped, hit subscribe. We're dropping gear reviews and prep guides weekly. Adapt, prepare, evolve.